Hello students, welcome back. Dear students, today in our addition and subtraction chapter, we are going to solve problem set number 9. Okay, in problem set number 9, there are some word problems. Okay, so total 5 word problems are there. We'll solve all the 5 examples. Okay, now the first one I will read. In a certain election, 13,47,048 women and 14,29,638 men cast their votes. How many votes were polled altogether? Now see students, in this practice set, the examples we know, all the examples belongs for addition. Okay, but when you will get problem when in exam there are mixed example, like in word problem some examples related to subtraction, some word problem related to addition, maybe some multiplication, division. That time you have some confusion. Okay, to avoid the confusion, there are some words. When we are reading the word problem, there are some words. With the help of that words, you can identify here which operation we have to do. Either there is word addition or subtraction. So now see students, in the first example, last 4 words are votes were polled altogether, gather, add, more. If this kind of words are there in the word problem, then this word problem belongs to addition. Okay, now how we have to solve this? First, for you, how you have to solve? Write down problem set 9, then write down the first example with pen. Okay, and if you are sure, then only use pen, otherwise solve with pencil. Now here I will write the number of women votes. Okay, so this is the first example. Women votes. The number is 13,47,048. 13,47,048. Okay, and main votes. Main votes, the number is 14,29,638. 14,29,638. 638. Then what they ask, we have to find the how many votes were polled altogether. So altogether, here we have to write we have to find the total votes. So just here write total votes. Okay, is equal to. Here we are going to do addition, that's why plus sign. Now see students, these are some things when you are solving the examples, that time you have to keep in mind. Now look here, while writing the examples, give space in each digit here. Okay, so this is 10 lakh place, this is lakh place. So how I write this? 10 lakh, 1,000, 10,000, 100, tens and unit or ones. Okay, this way you have to write properly. If you miss any digit here and there, you change the place, then 100% your answer get wrong. Okay, now we'll solve this. This is very simple student. 8 plus 8, 16. 6 remains here, 1 carried over. 1 plus 4 plus 3, 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0 plus 6, 6. 7 plus 9, 7 plus 9, 9 plus 1, 10, and 6, 16. 6 remains here. Here answer 16 and 1 carried over. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Then 3 plus 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 plus 1, 2. So total votes 27 lakh 76,686. This is our answer, student. 27 lakh 76,686. Okay. So this way you have to solve the examples. Now we'll move to the second example. Okay. The second example. In the second example, this is first. Second example, a little bit different here. What will be the sum of the smallest and the largest 6-digit number? Here we have to add the smallest 6-digit number with the largest 6-digit number. Okay, the smallest 6-digit number, smallest, okay, 6-digit number. We'll write now the first smallest 6-digit number. Okay, we'll write from the ones place or unit place. 0, 0, 0. 6-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 means 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we read here 1 lakh, that is 1 lakh is smallest 6-digit number. Okay, now we have to add their largest 6-digit number. Largest 6-digit number means 6 times 9. Okay, we'll write 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. So how will you get this? Here up to this is 100 then. So 9 lakh 99,999. 9 lakh 99,999. This way you have to write the example now here. Smallest and the largest 6-digit number. Largest 6-digit number. Okay. Now we have to add. You are very brilliant students. You can add this, but only this example I will do the addition. Next example I will write only. You have to do the addition for homework. Okay. These remaining examples you have to solve. Now 0 plus 9, 9. 0 plus 9, 0 plus 9, 9, 9, 9, and 1 plus 9, 10. Okay, so again after 3 digit, leave 2 digits. So our answer is 10 lakh 99,999. We got this number. Okay, so now we got this number. Now students, we will move to the next example. The third one. Okay, the third one is, if Surekha Tai bought a tractor for rupees 8 lakh 7,957 and a thresher for rupees 32,609, how much money did she spend altogether? Okay, now this example, how you have to represent this? Whatever the given things there, that you have to write first. The first one, the cost of tractor. Okay, the cost of tractor, or you have to just write the tractor here. Just this is the third example. Tractor, and next what is that? Thresher. Okay, so the thresher. So cost of tractor is 8 lakh 8,07,957 plus the thresher. This is also a machine farmers are used for for farming purpose, sorry. So now thresher's cost is 32,609. 32,609. See here students, one digit is less because this is 32,000. Okay, while writing the numbers, take precaution. Now then what we have to find now last, how much money did he spend altogether? Means for tractor and the thresher, Surekha Tai spent. So here total amount she spent, or you have to write total amount spent by Surekha Tai. Whatever the answer, you have to find this addition. Okay students, now we'll move to the next example. That is fourth example. Now in the fourth example, I will read the example. A textile mill produced 17,24,938 meters of cloth. Textile means they are prepared mills, textile mills. So in that mill, the cloth they produce, that is 17,24,938 meter they prepare last year, that is prepared in last year, and 23,47,056 meter this year. So what we have to find? What was the total production for the 2 year? So just here you have to write produced in last year, the number you have to write, that is 17,24,938, and produce this year, or produce this year, that you have to write 23,47,056, and you have to do the addition. Then last step, here what you have to write, produce in 2 years, means last year and this year. So whatever the answer we got, that is produce of 2 years. Okay, and then you have to find the answer. This you have to try students for homework. These are the simple example. Okay, I am only telling you how to write that, how to represent that. Okay, word problem, simple things you have to write that, whatever the given things. Now we will move to the last example here. The example is, if the government gave rupees 34,62,950 worth of computers and rupees 3,26,578 worth of TV sets to the school, which is the total, what is the total amount is spent on this equipment? Okay, computer and TV. So first you have to write price of computers and then price of TV sets. You have to add and you will get the total price or total cost. Okay, you can write the total amount also, this word, total cost, total price or total amount, you will get that. Okay, but here see the example students. In the first figure there is 10 lakh place, 34,62,950, and below number is starts from the lakh place, that is 3,26,578. While doing addition, that time take precaution, otherwise if you write the 3 in the 10 lakh place, obviously the result you know. Okay, now students, I hope you understood these examples. Okay, now we will start our next topic, that is subtraction. Okay, now in the subtraction we are going to solve practice set number 10 now. Okay, so subtraction Now in the subtraction, these examples are for revision students. In previous class you learned this. Okay, just we will solve one or two examples. Remaining examples you have to solve. Okay, now here in the subtraction, the first example is there. Total there are 4 examples. First we will solve, that is 64,293 minus, don't forget to give the sign, many times in hurry you forgot to write the sign here, then 28,547. Okay, now students we have to solve the example. Here students, look now, 3 minus 7, 3 is a smaller number. We cannot minus or we cannot subtract a bigger number from a smaller number, so we cannot subtract. So what we have to do, we have to borrow. Okay, in Hindi many times you heard the beggars are asking, "There hai Baba, there hai Baba." So like this way, what you have to do, we have to go to the tens place. See here, unit place, 10 place, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So we have to move to the 10 place. Okay, cut this 9. We borrow 1 from the 10 place. So 1 comes here. 1 means 10. 1 10 means 10. Okay, and this 3, 10 plus 3, 13. Okay, and here 8 remain. Now here 13 minus, we have to minus 13 minus 7. Okay, so here 13 minus this also you have to cut. Okay, so 13 minus 7, 6. Now here in 10 place 8 and 4. So 8 is a bigger number than 4. So we can easily, here no need to beg. Beg means borrow. Okay, so now 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4, answer is 4. Now again here at 100 place, 2 is smaller than 5. Okay, we cannot subtract. So again, there hai Baba means we have to borrow. So cut this from 1000 place. We borrow 1, here become 3. This 1 and this 2. So here 12. So 12. 5 plus 12 and 7. Okay. Now again 3 minus 8, not possible. 3 is smaller than 8. So again we have to borrow. Okay. Now here become 5. This one we add here. So 13 minus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 5 here. Now 5 minus 2, 5 is bigger number than 2. We can easily subtract. 5 minus 2, 3. Okay. So our answer is 35,746. So our answer is 35,746. So students, this way you have to solve. Only while here, just no need to write this one, but for writing neatly, if you prepare the columns like this, then it should be perfect. Okay, actually no need, you have to directly solve, but if you draw the columns like this, then it should look neatly perfect. Okay, this is depend on your wish how you have to solve. Okay, now students, there are remaining 3 examples. Same way you have to solve the examples. Okay, so in the next video we'll solve the practice set number 11. Okay, in the practice set number 11 there is subtraction of 6 and 7 digit number that we are going to solve, and there are word problem also in problem set number 12. Still there students, take care, bye bye.